Welcome back to Classy Mom. I am so happy that you guys are able to join me in another video. Yeah, I'm trying to step my game up this year. Well, almost the end of this year. 2020 has been a rough year, but I'm trying to step up my game so that I can actually put more videos and more contents out for you guys, so that when you come onto my page, you have no excuse to subscribe to my channel. So that's what I kind of been working on. And so the title of this video is my top 5 foundations that I love, and it is a mixture of drugstore foundations as well as high-end foundations. And so I am so excited to actually do this video. I have lately been trying different foundations, and so been experimenting with different foundations, and so I felt like this was like a perfect video to make for you guys. And I know I probably look the same way with the same hairstyle and the same shirt and jewelry, because yeah, I made a video how I actually got this look before, but hey, whatever. So we're gonna get into this video. If you're ready, let's dash into it. Okay, so the first foundation that I really likes a lot is the NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow. It is the natural radiant foundation that I so love, and the color that I use is the mocha. I use the mocha, and the one reason why I like this is because it's naturally glow foundation. It's in 45 shades. It's buildable medium colors that lasts all day. It has best foundation for a dewy glow. It's crucial free. So that is some of the reason why I chose this as one of my foundation. When I do wear this foundation, it really does have my face looking good all day, and it does bring a glow to my face. So this is one of my top drugstore foundation that I love to wear. Okay, so the next one that I actually like to wear, it is more like a high-end one, but it is the Juvia's Place. And this is it right here. I am Magic Foundation. I do use 2 colors. I do a mixture of what is that, Legos 240, and then Barkina 310. I think that's how you say that. So I do a mixture of these 2 foundations when I wear these, because one color may be too dark, one color may be too light, and so when I mix them together, it actually gives me a great combination. And a little bit about these 2 foundations is they are smooth application and a natural and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage. It's a great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture, and it erases blemishes, maintain the initial finish throughout the day. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin, and I do have a combination of skin, so this worked so good on my face. So if you guys have not had this, you guys need to get you some. Okay, so the next foundation that, and I am like got my paperwork in front of me so I can make sure that I say this right. Oh, I'm sorry to mention, but the one for the NYX actually cost me $10, and then the Julia Place is $14 for a one of them. So the other drugstore makeup that I am just now getting into is the Super Stay Full Coverage Maybelline New York foundation. So you guys see this, and this is in the color of 336. This is some really full coverage good makeup, you guys. It is oil free, it doesn't clog your pores, it's dermatology tested, it's full coverage foundation with a seamless finish, it's even out, it's camouflage, and it enhances, it minimizes the appearance of flaws and imperfection, and it glides into your skin like it's smooth and breathable wear. I love this foundation. I recommend this drugstore foundation to as many people as possible. If you guys can get your hand on this, you should. It's only $12 for this bottle of foundation, and this does last you for a long time. So try to get into this foundation. This is some really good foundation, you guys. And you probably hear some noise in the background because my dog has this little chicken toy that, oh, it drives me crazy, you guys. Ugh. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so the next high-end foundation that I love and I recommend is the Too Faced Born This Way. I love this foundation. Do you hear me? This is some good foundation. I love this foundation. This is in the color Shade or Shy or whatever. For my skin tone, I like the fact that it's a pump, as you guys can see. I love this foundation. This foundation, oh my god, it's medium to full coverage. It's detectable coverage. It is hydrating, long wearing, photo friendly, no flashback, no comedogeny, no, it's oil free. It's coconut water, aids in delicately replenishing skin moisturizing level. It's alpine rose, help empower skin health and resilience. And its acid is what is that? High hyaluronic acid gives a smoother, more youthful appearance, and is cruelty free, you guys. This is cruelty free. It is so good. I have been using this for so long. This has just been like my best foundation ever, and it is $40. It costs more money. This is the most, probably the most that I paid for my foundation is the one that costs $40, but it is worth it. Do you hear me? It is so worth it. So yeah, you guys should give this a try as well. Okay, and then my other drugstore foundation that I love, this is my L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh water in the color of 510. Let me tell y'all about this foundation. I had heard so many stories on YouTube about this foundation, and I was just like, yeah, whatever, you know, I'm not gonna try. But then I decided to try it, and oh my god, it is amazing, you guys. It is amazing. Do you hear me? I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this. It is up to 24 hours fresh stain powder. It's long-lasting foundation with their lightweight, breathable texture, and that is so true. Texture. It's waterproof. It's transfer resistant, and it's sweat resistant foundation, and it is a medium to full coverage foundation, natural finish. This makes my skin look so natural. It makes my skin look so good. I love it, and you guys should give it a try. And guess how much you guys think it costs? It only costs me $15 for this. $15 for this. $15 is good money for a full coverage, medium coverage 2 foundation on your face. So you guys should really give this a try. Now, I know that I said that I was only going to give you guys my top 5, but I said I have a bonus. I do have a bonus foundation that I wanted to talk about because I love this foundation, you guys. And it is the Black Radiant Color Perfect Foundation Stick Bronze Glow. This stuff is so good. I've never used like foundation sticks. I've always used like the cream or the liquid foundation, and I decided that I wanted to just kind of give this a try, and I love it. This is in the color of cappuccino that I have, and I know it's a new foundation. It is inspired by contouring, shaping trend. This is the quintessential tool to sculpture and add dimension to the face. It includes a pigment rich foundation stick on the side and a soft brush application on the other side. I love this foundation. Do you hear me? I really do. You guys should give it a try. This is just like a bonus foundation that I wanted to just kind of talk to you guys a little bit about. If you into all foundation sticks, give it a try, you guys. Give it a try. But that is all I have for you guys. If I was to continue to go on and on about different foundations, we would be here all day. But this is just some of my top 5 drugstore and high-end foundations that I love and that I recommend that you may want to give it a try. You may not. I mean, you may have your own foundation that you like, but these are some great ones. But I am so happy that you joined me guys today. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to say that every time. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you will know when my next video is being uploaded. Give this one a thumb up. And also, you guys, please let me know if it's other videos that you guys want me to work on, and I would do that. I will work on some other videos if it's some other ones that you need me to work on. I have no problem with putting some contents out, you know, with my beauty and me starting out as a makeup artist and just continuing to put more contents out. But until next time, if you guys want to see another video, make sure you follow me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.